So the Weekend Warrior is TSA approved to fit in the overhead compartment. So the whole idea is that you never have to check your ski boots. Is that you could do a full weekend. If you travel lightly and you don't want to bring your skis, you're going to rent the skis, you can really get everything you need in this Weekend Warrior bag to have a weekend on the slopes. And if you're somebody like me and you had a custom boot fitting and spend a lot of time and money getting the perfect boots, you do not want to put them in the checked luggage. They can get delayed, they can get damaged. This carry-on is the solution. So we're going to show you their innovative method of putting the boots inside. But before we get there, I wanted to show you that it's ventilated on the back. The shoulder straps are cushioned, and they updated the fit this year. So there's a little bit fewer straps to deal with. And the ones they have are very well positioned and super well designed. So this is all felted inside. Perfect place to stash your goggles. You've got a nice compartment here. I tend to put anything that's kind of loose here. Sometimes I'll put my wallet and my keys so they're really easy to get. Plenty of room there. Another zippered pouch. That's a good one for pens, your phone, chargers, etc. More compartments. This one you can unzip and put a water bottle in. Okay, now we're going to open this up, and I do love these pull tabs unfolded. They've made a lot of improvements this year, so this mesh bag is all new. So if you're packing for a weekend, you could get your space layer and long underwear right in there. I'll use this compartment for neck warmer and socks. So I might put my boot protectors folded up in here. And this is where your boots are going to go. Now this is all finished out with a waterproof material, so your wet boots are not going to get any of your clothing at all wet. So you're going to put your boots in here. The boots fit like this or compact. Okay, and then zip that closed. Zip the top part closed. Everything's in there, and then I'm going to put my helmet on the outside. Okay, and now I'm going to show you one more time with the bag loaded up and on my back. It's very convenient, gets you through the airport with so much ease. This bag is obviously more expensive because there's a lot more details and a lot more finishes that go into it, but this is a bag you're going to have for a lifetime.